Hello. We will be going over how to enter a 1099 miscellaneous without triggering the self-employment tax. Form 1099 miscellaneous. We're going to go into that section. Did you get one? Yes. Who paid you? I'm going to put test. We're just going to put nines. Now, if it's rent or royalties, that should be going linked with the Schedule E. It should not be going in the way that I just started this form. And let's say $5,000 of other income. Actually, let's put 7,500 so that it's distinguishable from my other values. And continue. And let's just say test. If one of these applies, that's the one you're going to want to select. Let's say none of these apply though. Now, yes, it involved work like your main job. If I say yes, it's now going to ask me to enter self-employment. So, no, it did not involve work like my main job. If I select that I got it in another year, it's going to prompt me to enter self-employment again. So I'm going to leave it on just this year. And if I say, yes, it involved the intent to earn money, it's once again going to take me to a self-employment income. So no, it did not involve the intent to earn money. And it's important to keep in mind, yes, it did add to my tax bill, but that's just the regular taxes on $7,500. And we're going to verify that in a moment. But these questions are not on any tax forms. This is TurboTax software attempting to understand whether it should or should not be classified as self-employment income and whether you should or should not be paying the self-employment tax. Now, if you should be paying the self-employment tax, don't do this, but this is the way to do it if self-employment tax is not applicable. So let's go ahead and view my tax summary, and we're going to go to preview my 1040. And now we're going to slide all the way down to other taxes, adjustments to income, and additional taxes. And you can see here, self-employment, there is no self-employment tax attached. It's just the regular tax bill that it tacked on for $7,500.